Hello and welcome to NSK Newark. We're here today to talk to the team about how they're getting on with their StormStation rainwater harvesting system and how this has helped them reach their sustainability goals.
Hello, I'm Darryl Baker, Head of Business Development and Engineering. I'm happy to work for NSK, a global manufacturer of high-quality bearing and linear guide solutions. Internationally, we manufacture products used in a range of applications from wind turbines to electric cars. On this site, we manufacture super precision bearings and linear guide products. NSK is proud to be making a contribution to the environment through the use of our StormSaver rainwater harvesting system.
Hello, my name's Mark Taylor and I'm the Production Improvement Coordinator for Newark plant. Here we have the StormStation rainwater harvesting system. This allows us to collect water from the roofs of our manufacturing areas, then recycle that water to flush the high-use toilets within the plant. This has reduced our demand for mains water significantly and helped us gain greater autonomy over our water supply. Since the introduction of the system, we've saved over 1.3 million litres of water. By capturing rainwater and reusing it on site locally, we are helping to ease the pressure on combined sewers, preventing them from overflowing into our lakes, rivers and seas. Our Newark factory is in a government classified seriously water stressed area, where water demand is dangerously close to exceeding supply. This makes harvesting and reusing rainwater a vital part of our sustainability strategy.
Hi, my name is Zina Wabiri and I'm the Environmental Coordinator at NSK. At NSK, we're always on the lookout for ways to operate more sustainably. We're open to new ideas and improving our current initiatives. For example, now that StormSaver has proven its worth, we're investigating expanding the system to cover more of our roof space. This would allow us to save even more water in what is a water-stressed area in the UK.
Here at NSK, we have a real passion for sustainability. We're proud to be helping to save one of the planet's most valuable resources.
If you want to join NSK and help your business reach its sustainability goals, then get in contact with our friendly team today.